This is a 2005 Acura RL. It has a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a power sunroof, heated seats, a premium audio system, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, high-intensity headlights, cruise control, a CD player, leather seats, performance tires, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button. And this vehicle has fewer than 53,000 miles on the odometer. This Acura has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.